Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to delete archived orders on Amazon. First, go to amazon.com and log into your account. On the home page, click on your name or the Accounts and Lists option at the top right corner. From there, select Archived Orders to view all your archived items. Currently, Amazon doesn't allow you to delete archived orders. Archiving only hides them from your main order list. The archived section is the final place where those orders are stored. If you really want to remove them, you have two options. Delete your entire Amazon account, which removes all your data. Contact Amazon customer support for help. To contact support, go to customer service, something else, I need more help, then choose to chat or request a call. Once connected, ask the representative if they can help delete your archived orders. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.